welcome back to Easyy kitchen. These mangoes are in season, so why don't we make something delicious with mangoes? So we'll make mango stuffed kulfii. We need just very few ingredients to make mango stuffing kulfii. So firstly, we'll need 1.5 liter of milk, 70 grams of sugar, and 2 ripe mangoes. So let's begin. Firstly, we'll begin with boiling 1.5 liter of milk. Boil the milk on a slow flame until the milk is reduced to 1/4. Add 70 grams of sugar to the boiled milk. Boil it for a few minutes and then turn off the gas. Our kulfii mixture is ready. Now let it cool down. Now comes the main part of the recipe, that is stuffing our kulfii mixture into the mango. So firstly, you will remove the upper part of the mango and retain it. Now cut the edges of the mango carefully to remove the seed. Now we'll gently twist it and remove our seed. As you can see, you might not get it in the first attempt, but definitely you will get it in the second attempt. We'll remove the extra pulp from the seed and put it back in the mangoes. Our kulfii mixture is cooled down. Now pour our kulfii mixture into the mango as shown. Now lid it and this goes into the deep freezer. Our mango is freezed. Now we'll peel it off gently. Slice it using a knife as shown. Our mango stuffed kulfii is ready. So do try the recipe and let me know in the comment section. See you guys next week with a new video. Bye bye.